across these 3 items that I was going to discard because they're trash. At least I told myself that they were trash in the car. And now that I look at them, and then look to my left and see, I don't know if you can see through those railings, the red, yellow, white, and black box there. That is a free gallery where people are invited to leave art and take art. So I thought, I wonder what I can create with these 3 pieces. Give myself a little play. Let's see. No, you get to see, because this is part of the journey, is undoing the knots. And I find a lot of times, spend a lot of time undoing my knots. A lot of time. And a lot of time turning off the camera, hiding when there are knots to be dealt with. So now I'm putting the knotting and the unknotting process in plain view. There we go. I found this necklace of mine that I made. I had it on exhibit and no one wanted to buy it. It's really pretty though. So I think what I'll do is take these semi-precious stones and incorporate it into, and this pearl, which is not real, but precious to somebody, precious to me, and hopefully it'll be precious to somebody. This one doesn't seem like it wants to go. Okay, here we go. There we go. Now I'll put this screw back on. Okay, so this is back to being plain, and I can repurpose that at another time. But now we've got some stones here. I'm excited about that. Maybe I can stand up this way. Who knows? I kind of like this though. This speaks to me. But okay. So I'm really digging this feeling of creating art just for art's sake, and allowing myself just to play with what I have and not feel that it has to show up in a particular way. I think that's interesting. Okay, so where are we? So we have, in this, where I'm disturbed because I don't want to be seen. Feeling ugly. The camera just flipped up and exposed me. Ah! So, anyway, what I was trying to say is that this stitch, it's like a stitch that I use often, is based off of triangles, isosceles triangles. And at every row, there is a bottom and the top of a triangle, so there's the apex triangle. So I'm threading through the point where that apex hits. Mind you, I'm doing all of this with no needle, no hook. Everything is literally by hand. Mhm. And put it in here. Oopsie. So this is where I landed. I removed the hook by just bending it back and forth. I added some beads, some pearls, and I have this structure. Town of Brentwood, and we are at it's part of the Little Free Library organization. Make art, take art. Super cute. Oh, and I want to find out more information about it. The paintbrush is the handle. How cute is that? Okay, so here is the artwork in this gallery. Isn't it lovely? Lots of pieces here, very interesting. And they even have little people looking at the art. These are cute. And of course, because it's fly, it has 2 floors. But look at all of this art. Okay, now I just have to figure out, oh, there's paintbrushes and stuff. And little, oh, this is so cute. Okay, so I'm going to pick a place. Let's see. We're part of an exhibit. It's so cute.